To share your PowerPoint in presenter mode, first, join a Zoom meeting with the classroom system. A link to our video tutorial on how to do that is in the notes for this video. Click Share Screen and then choose Advanced. Next, select Portion of Screen and then click Share. Open your PowerPoint presentation and enable Presenter View on the Slideshow tab. Then start the slideshow. In Zoom, drag the green sharing window so the top is aligned with the top left of your PowerPoint presentation within the Presenter Mode view. Then click on the bottom right corner of the green sharing window and resize it to fit around only your PowerPoint presentation. You are now sharing just the PowerPoint presentation. Students will not see your notes, but you can still view them. When you are finished sharing, simply click Stop Share.